How to use green screen footage in Premiere Pro. It's easy to do in Premiere Pro. Green screen is great for editing and can be usually used. The most important thing is to have good quality green screen footage for the best result. You can find a lot of green screen footage on YouTube. First go to the effects and type key. You will find many color key effects, but you need the Ultra Key plugin for the best result. The color key effect can be used, but it is not as good as Ultra Key. There's an example of using color key, which shows that the result is not as good with many green pixels. So, how do you use green screen footage correctly? Use the Ultra Key effect, which works much better and has more options than color key. Drag the Ultra Key plugin to the green screen footage and go to the effects controls. Next, press the eyedropper and select the green from the footage. This works a lot better than the color key plugin. You can still see a little green, but it can be fixed with the Meta Cleanup option. Open now Meta Cleanup and set the choke value to 100. This will fix the green pixels. You can also make the footage smaller with scaling and change the position of the green screen as you like. There we go. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.